Someone handed me a vendor deck. The title slide says, AI Native Zero Trust Security Platform. I'm going to find out what this means. This is vendor translation. We take real marketing language and find out what's inside. Not cynically, genuinely. Some of this will mean something real, some won't. Let's find out which. 3 terms: AI Native, Zero Trust, Platform. We decode them in order of how real they are, starting with the most real. Term 1, Zero Trust. This one is real. Zero Trust is a real security architecture. Never trust, always verify. No implicit access based on being inside the network. Every connection authenticated. Every request authorized. It predates AI by 15 years. It is good. The original insight? You might have a VPN. The attacker might be inside the VPN. So you stop trusting the VPN as a perimeter. Every resource authenticates everything. Always. It's a model change, not a product. Zero trust in marketing often means something adjacent. The VPN is removed. Users authenticate to each resource individually. This is not wrong. It is also just identity-aware access, a product category that has existed since 2015. Ask which one you're buying. Term 2, AI Native. This one has 2 versions and the packaging is identical. Version A. The AI is the core of how the product works, trained on security data, making decisions the prior generation couldn't make. Version A is interesting. Anomaly detection that learns your baseline, threat models trained on actual incident data, classification that adapts. These are things signature-based tools genuinely couldn't do. This is worth paying for. Version B is a 2019 dashboard with a chatbot in the corner. You can ask it questions about your alerts in natural language. This is useful. It is not what AI native implies. AI native implies the AI is the architecture, not the help widget. Term 3, platform. Platform usually means we acquired 3 companies and put them in a single billing relationship. Sometimes it means a unified data layer and a cohesive experience. These are very different things. Ask which. Now, AI native Zero Trust Platform combined. In the wild, this phrase most frequently describes a product that removed the VPN, added an LLM to the dashboard, and acquired a CASB vendor in 2021. This is not a security strategy. It is a sales strategy. These terms can mean real things. Here's how you find out if they do. Question 1. What does the AI actually do? Not in a marketing sentence, in a technical sentence. Name the model architecture. Name the training data. Name one decision it made that a rule-based system couldn't. If they can't answer, that's your answer. Question 2. Can I talk to a customer running this in production? Not a case study, a person, on a call, unprompted. If the answer involves a prepared reference program or legal review, you have information the demo didn't give you. Question 3. What's the failure mode? When the AI is wrong, does it fail open or closed? What's alert quality like in the first 90 days? A vendor who's thought about this answers immediately. A vendor who hasn't will pivot to a feature. These terms are not lies by definition. They're claims. Your job in the demo is to find out whether the claims are load-bearing or decorative. 3 questions, 10 minutes. You'll know. Subscribe, and next time, patch notes for reality. Your assumptions about garbage collection nerfed.